It's a nuCamp tab. The 360, which is a new model from nuCamp. Up until now, they had the 320. So this is between 320 and the 400. And this one actually comes with a single bed, like a 2 twin beds. And the nice thing about this, the 360 that nuCamp came about, is they created a dinette. Just like you can see, the dinette option, when it folds, just like that, and then the table drops down, and then now you have another twin bed, which is pretty wide. I'm thinking it's almost like 32 inches wide. And then you have 2 twins here with a nice nightstand in between with a drawer to store all kinds of things. You have each USB-A and USB-C ports right here, and an AC port opening for air. And then you also have in your headboard some cubbies to store all kinds of other things. And not to mention that this shelf here has the lip, so you can put all kinds of things here, and a beautiful stargazing window all the way up right above your head. And this is an acrylic dual pane insulated window. And this thing is an awning style. It can open, and you can keep it open even if it's raining. And again, it's got the mosquito net or the privacy, and it can be used any way you like, half and half, or one of them full or not. But sleeping here and watching the stars, the moon, would be amazing. And this is so simple. You just pull it out, and next thing you know, you have a dinette. You have a place to sit and work or eat. More shelves. Another compartment to store all kinds of things. You have your TV, your lounge. Another area with lots of shelves and compartments. This one has the microwave, but if you're not a microwave person, this is easily removable and you can utilize the space for storage. More ducts for AC. You have a TV here, and more storage space right there. They utilized literally every little space possible and turned it into nice storage. You have your entertainment center right here with all the Bluetooth. More storage, as you can tell, like everywhere is storage, storage, storage. And here you have your kitchen and a beautiful window above it. Some hooks to hang your hand towels and whatnot. And here you have your faucet, 2-burner stove, and once you're not using it, you can just close it. And this whole space is area for prepping. Look how many drawers and storage spaces it has. And look at the size of this and the quality of the workmanship. This is real wood. And this is really, really deep, very big. More and more and more space everywhere, everywhere. Like, it's unbelievable. And this time they have this nice big tall refrigerator with a freezer at your body height, so you don't have to go on your knees to look for something from the refrigerator. More storage. Here's all your center for your lighting and your control of the gray tanks and freshwater tank. And here's your Aldi system for heating. What can I say? This is really, really nice. And not only that, but it has a full wet bathroom with a mirror, heating, and this is a cassette toilet. And right above the toilet, you have your sink. And that faucet extends, and you can hang it right up here, and that would be your shower. I'm 5'9". I do fit in this, but if you're taller, you either need to like kind of bend your head or just sit down and shower while sitting. And this privacy window is so cool. There you go. It's just a simple slide, and that's it. Beautiful. And I can't believe that all this is tucked into a very small unit. In the front, you have this huge, huge storage space. And I love this material. It's so sturdy. And I think right there, look at that. That's your space for your propane tank. And all this space would be ideal for everything and anything you want to bring with you along. Very, very, very nice. The Tap 360 by nuCamp. It really is small, and you have all these handles because it's very lightweight, so you can actually move this around by pulling on these handles. They all come standard with solar panels on top. And the door is a unique door for all the nuCamp trailers, this airplane kind of door, privacy shade at the window, and you have all these cubbies where you can store all kinds of stuff. Some people use it as a trash bin. Some people use it to put their umbrellas or leash or anything like that. Very nice. It's really, really cool. And it's a Boondock series with a nice sturdy handle. And look at that. The Tap 360 runs for $40,000. It's a 2025 Tap 360 by nuCamp. Nice rugged wheels. Outdoor power. Very nice. And this is a teardrop trailer. Very cool.